You are reading a book.
You are reading a book.
He is running fast.
He is running fast.
She is buying vegetables.
She is buying vegetables.
We are studying together.
We are studying together.
She is combing her hair.
She is combing her hair.
He is helping his friend.
He is helping his friend.
We are going to school.
We are going to school.
They are sitting quietly.
They are sitting quietly.
You are standing outside.
You are standing outside.
You are standing outside.
You are standing outside.
I am using my phone.
I am using my phone.
She is typing an email.
She is typing an email.
He is talking to John.
He is talking to John.
We are waiting for the bus.
We are waiting for the bus.
They are looking at the sky.
They are looking at the sky.
I am calling my mom.
I am calling my mom.
She is feeding the baby.
She is feeding the baby.
He is catching the ball.
He is catching the ball.
You are opening your bag.
You are opening your bag.
I am listening to music.
I am listening to music.
She is sending a message.
She is sending a message.
He is cutting paper.
He is cutting paper.
We are planting trees.
We are planting trees.
They are building a house.
They are building a house.
I am checking my mail.
I am checking my mail.
She is watching birds.
She is watching birds.
He is climbing the ladder.
He is climbing the ladder.
We are painting the wall.
We are painting the wall.
I am fixing my laptop.
I am fixing my laptop.
She is ironing clothes.
She is ironing clothes.
He is polishing his shoes.
He is polishing his shoes.
They are repairing the car.
They are repairing the car.
We are packing our bags.
We are packing our bags.
I am cleaning the table.
I am cleaning the table.
She is watering the plants.
She is watering the plants.
He is driving a car.
He is driving a car.
They are laughing loudly.
They are laughing loudly.
You are feeding the cat.
You are feeding the cat.
I am opening the gift.
I am opening the gift.
He is folding clothes.
He is folding clothes.
We are playing music.
We are playing music.
They are dancing together.
They are dancing together.
I am typing a message.
I am typing a message.
She is making breakfast.
She is making breakfast.
He is checking his phone.
He is checking his phone.
You are baking a cake.
You are baking a cake.
We are enjoying the party.
We are enjoying the party.
I am feeding the dog.
I am feeding the dog.
She is organizing files.
She is organizing files.
He is walking his dog.
He is walking his dog.
They are clapping hands.
They are clapping hands.
We are painting eggs.
We are painting eggs.
I am writing my homework.
I am writing my homework.
She is blowing balloons.
She is blowing balloons.
He is shaving his beard.
He is shaving his beard.
You are filling the bottle.
You are filling the bottle.
They are wearing jackets.
They are wearing jackets.
I am fixing my watch.
I am fixing my watch.
She is learning French.
She is learning French.
I am singing a song.
I am singing a song.
She is decorating the room.
She is decorating the room.
He is waiting for the taxi.
He is waiting for the taxi.
They are talking to teacher.
They are talking to teacher.
You are making a card.
You are making a card.
I am charging my phone.
I am charging my phone.
She is typing on the laptop.
She is typing on the laptop.
He is wiping the board.
He is wiping the board.
They are watching cartoons.
They are watching cartoons.
I am reading.
I am reading.
She is eating.
She is eating.
He is sleeping.
He is sleeping.
They are running.
They are running.
We are cooking.
We are cooking.
I am walking.
I am walking.
You are dancing.
You are dancing.
He is crying.
He is crying.
She is smiling.
She is smiling.
They are singing.
They are singing.
I am watching TV.
I am watching TV.
She is drinking water.
She is drinking water.
He is writing a letter.
He is writing a letter.
We are cleaning the room.
We are cleaning the room.
They are playing cricket.
They are playing cricket.
You are talking loudly.
You are talking loudly.
I am making tea.
I am making tea.
She is painting a picture.
She is painting a picture.
He is fixing his bike.
He is fixing his bike.
They are jumping high.
They are jumping high.
We are learning English.
We are learning English.
I am swimming now.
I am swimming now.
She is opening the door.
She is opening the door.
He is closing the window.
He is closing the window.
They are washing clothes.
They are washing clothes.